Hello, good evening, everybody. So, welcome back to our channel. So, guys, I'm actually getting ready to go. I'll show you our outfit of the day in a second. But happy Friday! Happy Friday, y'all. OOTD of the day. I got on my, I forgot what's the name of these, gray workout pants or whatever. But same thing as yesterday. And also, y'all, she has on her new jacket. How awesome is that? I like it. So y'all already know, I'm gonna go in the closet and get 2 coats because I have to let them go. And I'll probably drop them off before I go for a walk. But I'm going to go to the bins today. Let me see if I can turn on some light. Maybe y'all light enough, okay. I'm gonna go to one of the bins today that I have not been in a very, very long time. So I'm going to do that. I'm just actually going for some therapy just to look around because actually it's Dollar Day, and I got lucky before, and I found, if you guys remember, I found the sorry it's so bright. I found this pendant light. Can y'all see it? The glass pendant light there. So hopefully I can find something like that. If not, then I'm probably just gonna leave. But I'm gonna donate this coat, this long. Excuse me, y'all. I'm going to donate this long black, is this the Gap coat? Yeah, I'm going to donate this. Y'all, I'm sorry. I'm going to donate her. I'm going to donate this wool coat that is, the sleeves are like quarter length. I'm going to donate that. And I'm going to keep my army green cotton coat. I'm going to keep this one. And then I still have this one winter coat. So I'll keep those. And I'll play it by ear because as long as I have the long black coat and then I have the coat that I have on, those 2 other, like the jacket, and then I own 2 blue jean jackets, so I don't want to like overdo it. So I am going to donate them. Later on, I'm going to Whole Foods. I'll probably film because I had to meet baby girl there. And I'm trying to think what else is going on. Oh, I'll see if I can take you along to the bin. So hold the line, please, and we'll have tea time in the car. Y'all, we're gonna have a little tea time, but today we're gonna have tea time with water because that's all I have right now. And then 2, it's good. So get your coffee, your tea, your water, your smoothie, your coffee, or whatever it is that you have in the evening, because that's what time it is, the evening time. But yeah, guys, my words for the day is basically don't give up, keep moving, keep pressing on towards the mark that's in Christ, keep doing good. And trust me, the good is going to outweigh the bad. Keep trusting Him, keep having faith, and keep praying. Pray without ceasing, okay? And don't lose heart and don't lose sight of what He can do as our Creator, or whatever you believe in, the universe or whatever. But you already know, doing good, you reap what you sow. You're going to reap goodness. When you do wrong, you're going to reap bad. So just continue to keep doing good. Don't give up. And stay prayerful. And stay cordial. Stay sane, too, as well. So, yeah. So, guys, that's all I have right now for tea time. And we'll see you on the flip side. All right, guys, I'm back. So, I'm going to be making one change in the house that I've been wanting to make a change for a while, and then 2, I think it'll be a good change. But the ottoman that I have in the back room, I'm actually going to get rid of it. Hopefully somebody will buy it right away. I don't really want it to be sitting in the garage or anything. So I'm going to be letting that go because what I'm going to be looking for next week when I hang out with friends, I'm going to be looking for a round table that's similar to the one that's in the front room, but that has like a metal base to it, like a black with a wood top or something like that. So we can have more space in that area and the boys will be able to, you know, play more. And then 2, I can actually, I lost my paper. I can actually, basically I can actually work out more in that space. I have more room to, it's a big space already, but the ottoman does take up quite a few. And then another thing too, it goes with the couch because of the color, but then again it doesn't, because the couch is more mid-century modern and kind of like a rustic type modern, and the ottoman is more of a you know, it's more of a like a kind of glam piece or whatever. So like I said, I hope it moves fast. My daughter did give me that, and I did tell her that I do not want it, and she was gonna, I asked her what she wanted to do with it, so she told me just to sell it, and then I'll just give her half of the money or whatever she said, or she can, whatever, I just want to get rid of it. So that's the change that's going to be going to that back room. And I'm trying to think what else. I'll probably see you guys later, but I am going to go to the bins now. Then I'll bring you in there and see what they have. If they don't have nothing, I'm leaving out empty-handed. And then I'll go donate these coats here. And then I'll probably take me a nature walk. These people are driving really, really weird. Okay, y'all, so I will see you guys momentarily. All right, hold the line. Alright, y'all, there's not a whole lot, but I think I might get one of these because they got a hole in them, but I'm going to get these trays. I don't see anything else. Let's go around, look over here. They have plenty of these things. We'll just keep looking. So, I'll show you guys. Wait a minute, if I could turn this camera around. But, what I was saying is, I'll show you guys if I get anything, and I'll bring you guys back. Yes! You're the only one who cares. Guys, so I am here. And I got my coats, and I'm going to donate these. And then I'm going to show you what I got from the bins. I only got one thing, and that was it. So, yeah, bear with me, please. Hold the line while I get this in here. Got to put my gloves on. I'm still be a little afraid of, not afraid, but I don't be wanting to touch the thing. Let me check these pockets. I think I did before I left. I think just to be on the safe side. Somebody's going to be happy about these wool coats, for real. And they're free. That's why I don't take stuff to the Goodwill no more, because the Goodwill sells it. They mark it up really high. So, yeah, let me take this tissue out of this pocket. Yeah, y'all, the bins didn't have too much, and it's okay because I really don't need anything like that. I did put that the thing I was trying to show y'all was actually a flower. The other flower pot that I have that is made out of that, what was it? Oh gosh, clay pot. The clay pot that I have that I still need to put me a plant in. I was going to use that for a saucer for it, so I didn't get it because I said I probably have something at home I can use. But I did get one thing that I could add to my one collection. This was $1. So I got Burt's Bees, and it's this color lipstick. So the color I have on is a shade lighter than that. So that's the color it is, if you can see. So that's all I hauled, you guys. And like I said, it was $1.07. That ain't hurting anything. Then I can add this to my collection, and then I can actually put one of those body washes that I was going to give to one of my sons in one of these bags. So that works out because one of their birthdays is in May. So guys, I will see you all in another part of the video. Hold the line, please. Hey guys, hanging out with baby Narnar. Y'all just talking about y'all miss her.
Yeah, I've been trying to put out a video for y'all, but the video that I was trying to put out, it said it had damaged file. I don't know how, but I even tried trimming it and I still couldn't get it. So I'm gonna have to redo it, and then y'all just gonna have to wait. And I'm gonna just be on my P's and Q's after that. I hope everybody's doing well too, by the way.
Now look at her hair. It's so pretty. She did it herself. Turn around. I think it's so nice. I wouldn't get it that long, but she said she'll do mine like that. But yeah, guys, I am gonna end this. I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna get a couple of things, but I'm not gonna put it on this channel. But this coat, y'all, is super warm. Super warm. So thumbs up for that. But she's doing the most now. But anyway, I will see you guys in another video. Thanks for tuning in. I love you guys. Peace. Don't forget, love yourself so that you be able to love others. Bye, y'all.